Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Q Search app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Q Search is a lightweight mobile search tool designed to help users quickly look up information, browse topics, and get results in an organized way. Instead of opening a full web browser or switching between multiple apps, Q Search provides a simplified search experience focused on speed and convenience. It aims to deliver clean, categorized results that make everyday searches easier. The app is available on mobile devices and is designed to function as a compact, easy-to-use information finder. The app's main feature is its streamlined search interface. You type what you need, and Q Search displays quick results without extra clutter. Some versions of the app also include suggested topics, trending queries, and smart filters to help users find what they're looking for with fewer steps. It focuses on being a fast, minimal, and distraction-free tool for users who want simple search functionality. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, fast response time, and clean interface without unnecessary ads or heavy features. For casual searching, quick lookups, or lightweight browsing, the app performs reliably and keeps things straightforward. Users who prefer minimal apps often find it useful for everyday tasks. However, there are some drawbacks. Q Search may lack advanced search features, deep filtering options, or broad data integrations that larger platforms offer. Some users also report that results are limited or less detailed depending on region or topic. In addition, because the app focuses on simplicity, it may not be ideal for research-heavy tasks or complex queries. In summary, the Q Search app may be worth using if you prefer quick, simple, and clean mobile searches without unnecessary distractions. However, if you need advanced research tools, deep filtering, or comprehensive results, this app might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.